test run on this new mod back here I got for the boat. Got this idea from another YouTuber. I can't remember his name now. Just look up transom modification on YouTube and you'll find it. But his was better than mine. Mine came out a little bit weird, but nah, you know, you can put it in the truck. So anyway, this is going to be that's my son anyway. So you've seen him before, but this is going to be a first test mod on it because it was flexing a lot back here, a lot. So we're going to do a test to see how it works. Just me and him are going to go out and go up and down the river over here at Overholster and see what it's all about. And then I'm going out tomorrow to Thunderbird, and this video will continue on then. But anyway, so actually it's not pretty, but I think it'll do the deal. So we'll see. All right, we're out here. This is the setup here. Still getting a little bit of flex, but not as much as I was. So this is idle. We'll show you. I mean, still flexing more than I thought it was, but it's better than it was. Oh well. All right, we'll see how it goes tomorrow when I go fishing. Well, like I said, it did flex a little bit more than I wanted, but it's definitely less than it was. So it was a good run. I think it was successful. Looking forward to going out to Thunderbird tomorrow, and we'll resume this then. All right. Yeah. Here at the spot, here where I caught the fish last time. We're gonna see what I can get. All right, we got a new spot here, moved over. Try a little bit different spot here. Good God, you took that thing fast. Woo! What I'm talking about, dude. That catfish nailed that thing. Yeah, I say it's a catfish. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about right there. Nice one. Definitely eating size. Oh yeah. Oh, God. Oh man. Well, a little bit bigger bang. But I ain't got anything in a few hours, so I ain't even getting any bites either. So I'm gonna go ahead and call it and go home, and then try it again someday. All right, we're here. We're getting ready to launch this sucker. See what we get. Feels pretty nice out here. I'm gonna try a different mount today on the chest, see how that works. Probably do it for an hour or so, and then I'm gonna put it back on my head. So, all right. Well, there's Jimmy. Say hello, Jimmy.
Hi there. How you doing?
All right. Okay. Coming up on the bridge, about halfway. Well, maybe not halfway. We got a little bit to go today, but It's gonna be choppy coming back, that wind. We're gonna be splashing. We'll find out. To a different spot here because we were dealing with current that was crazy. So what you can do, Jim, I would just throw your bobber straight out right in the middle of that nonsense. So we're gonna try a different spot. This is the old standby over here. I'm a character of habit. I like to try things that work. So we're gonna see what happens. But yeah, just tie us off like that. Yeah. Oh shit, man, I got something. Oh god dang, holy shit balls. Yeah, I got one then. Woo-hoo-hoo, Jimmy. Holy crap, he's running. You hear that singing? Well, he is fighting. I thought it was dragging the bottom because we were moving, but it was like bending way over. Oh God. Come on, get tired.
Oh my God.
You always say that when I catch a carp. Indeed. Indeed, Jimmy. Huh? Yeah. Heck yeah. On the corn. Yeah, he was a good size. All right, here we go. There he is.
Oh, big old dude.
He's fought good. Thank you for giving us not a goose egg stew.
That's cool, man. Look at that mouth, my God.
Hey, he was fish to flop anyway.
Yeah, he didn't like you staring at him.
I was gonna make him talk, but he didn't want to talk.
He did us no good at all when it's been hail or something.
Oh yeah.
Got that big old truck. Which is hard, not that big.
Well, I'm getting to the bite. Shit. Oh, he's on there too. God dang it, look at that. Fuck. He's all looking at that thing. Oh my God. Oh my God, he's dancing. Are you on there? Oh yeah. Talk to me. Talk to me. Oh, he's dragging. Look at him. Jeez. That might be a catfish. I don't know. Oh, don't come off. Turd. I hate when they jerk like that.
He's trying to get it out of his mouth.
The corn, man. They're tearing that corn up. Is the video going? I hope it is. This one's acting like a catfish, man. It's kind of, ooh. I don't know, man. You get that net ready? Come on, Big Daddy. Don't... Come on. Come on. I'm always curious. Like, what is it?
Good God.
He got close to the surface. He's like, no, don't go over, you fucker. Don't go on my line. He's trying to get me out of the line. I don't want me caught in my line. All right. You ready? All right, let me get some more line caught up here. Oh, you got him. Big mother.
Oh my God.
Big mother sucker. Oh, he's bigger than the other one. Pick him up here. Hope he don't jump out. He's probably worn out, dude. That was a fight. Look at that sucker.
Dang, it's big fat.
Yeah, that's probably a 4 or 5 pound. Cool.
Cool.
All right, go get bigger. She says, oh God, look at that. Fucking hell. Here. Woo! Another one on there, Jim. Oh, another carp. It's a toll of $5 to go through here. Well, that you better turn around then. Like what am I gonna do, right? Hey, my bait's all upside down. You ready? You ready, Jim? Oh. Yeah. They're freaking. That's a catfish.
Yeah, big old cat.
Nice. That one's going in the basket. Dude, I mean, just look at him bleeding like crazy. See that?
Oh god. Wow, he is beat up.
Well, go get healthy, man. You'll know.
Yeah.
If they bite it, like I said, my pole goes nuts. Oh shit! Really? Holy fuck! I got another one. Going on. Oh god.
Now he doesn't have to ask, did you catch me something?
Fuck yeah. Fucking A. Get over here. I quit saying I'm recording the fish actually now. Sorry about that. Oh my gosh. Get over here. That's your loss. God. See, this is that light pole. The light pole, yeah. All right. Another big old carp.
Oh shit.
Sweet. Four, Jimmy. Nope. Well, I got real corn. It's mixed up in my little mixture, but I'm using artificial corn. Oh. Here we go. Number 3 carp, 1 cat. We'll get a little bit of splashing here. Get some water in the front. Feels good hitting us, but it's a lot more windy now than it was when we got out here. A lot of people here. Sprinkler. I thought it was good God. He farted again. Right in my nostrils, man. Lord. It's not fair. I'm going into the wind. I have no hope. No, we get out the back. Alright, well I'm shutting this video off finally. Coming up. Well, I've been off and on. So anyway, we're getting ready to, yeah, we finished. The sign says finished. We made it. So, yeah. Alright, that's it for us. It was fun. It's always good to get out and relax.